So winter is approaching, it's getting cold outside, and you might be wondering what things you can do to help the homeless. So I'm just going to go through a few different things. If you're trying to put together backpacks or care packages for unhoused people, and some people like the term homeless, some people use the term unhoused. It really varies from person to person. I know there's a lot of controversy around those terms right now. But ponchos, socks, rain ponchos, you can get those at like the dollar store. Socks, hand warmers. So hand warmers, you can use them for your hands, or you can put them in your boots or put them into your socks to keep your feet warm. So that's another thing. Some of these things you can get at the dollar store, but some of them you can put together. There's actually a place called Bags in Bulk. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but they have, survival outreach packets that you can order in bulk with. Even the backpacks you can order with them. Beanies is another one to help keep people warm at night. Gloves, socks. Did we cover socks? Because foot care is like so incredibly important. Alcohol wipes, baby wipes. A lot of times what I would do is I would take baby wipes and I would put them into plastic bags, or I'd break up a thing of baby wipes and put baby wipes in plastic bags, because some of the things that you need to prevent outside, you're going to need, to prevent hepatitis A or getting C. diff. You're going to want to have alcohol wipes or hand sanitizer and wipes to keep your hands clean, because a lot of times people are living in places where there's very, very limited options for sanitation. So those are some of the main ones. Some other things that are nice to have are toothbrushes, little travel packs of toothpastes and soap, combs, sort of like generic combs. You can buy those like space blankets. That's another thing. You can get very, very cheap fleece blankets. Typically, when somebody's sleeping outside, they want to have a base layer of some kind of like cardboard or something like that, and then something like fleece or wool to keep the cold from, and to keep the heat in your body, and then something on top of the person. Those are just some suggestions. Also, giving out stuff like coffee, soups, water bottles, because actually water is super, super important for everything from, your brain needs water to function. So having, reusable water bottles, particularly if you have a little clasp that they can hook onto someone's backpack on the outside.